every time one of your videos comes up, he sits down and watches it.
My biggest fan here, huh?
Oh yeah.
Wish I had his energy. I like that picture.
And
You're not gonna be in my videos?
Yeah,
So you knew my bike when you saw it? How?
because the Mexican stickers, because you go there a lot, and plus your blue bike, because I seen it when you bought it.
Handlebars.
Ah.
Handlebars.
So you actually watch my videos?
Yeah, I did. So, yeah. That's how I know it's your bike.
You got a bike?
I paid 10 for it. I put another 3 in it.
I got a dirt bike.
I'll let somebody enjoy it too.
You got a dirt bike already? How old are you? 8? I got my first dirt bike when I was 11.
I got like a dirt bike about like, it stands about
A little small one, almost got a motor in it and stuff?
Yeah.
When I was 8, I would think I was riding bicycles. But you're starting before me.
Yeah. I do got a lot of phones and tablets.
It's easier to pull over.
I got 3 tablets, 5 phones.
I didn't have those when I was 8.
Yeah.
And while everything starts spinning.
So, yeah.
On a road bike, you know, I got to pull over,
Well,
kickstand down, shut it
my
off,
youngest fan.
and it takes a little bit longer. I don't want to wait for bike. So that's why I went ahead and got this.
Now we're going to take a look at his father's Voyager Trike kit, which is an inexpensive trike kit that can be moved from one motorcycle to another. What do you say? He paid $2 grand for this thing?
Well, the kit, yeah, the whole bike
kit.
I paid $7,300.
Yeah, but the guy went for the kit.
Yeah.
So I don't think it comes with a kid.
No, it doesn't. You have to buy the kit separately. From
The kid kit?
Yeah,
The kid kit? And it just hooks on here underneath the bike. This is like a swing arm, and it pivots up and down, and the whole thing moves. These wheels will move independently of the rear one. Because if it didn't, once you got this one and the one on the other side up too high, that one would just spin. Once you got on an uneven road, so it moves up and down with it. I only ever rode the one, but I remember being very impressed. I've ridden a few different trikes. Quite a few actually, and there was just 2 that I didn't like. One was a homemade job. The other one was actually a Harley one. My boss had it at the rally where we were working, and I rode it around. But most of them have been pretty good. Before I go to a trike personally, if I get too weak or something, I'd probably go to a smaller, lighter bike. Let's see. So anyways, that's the Voyager kit. I'm sure you can find them online or whatever. Find out about them. They've been around forever.